For today's costume, I wanted to show you an easy way to make a slice of pizza. This is sure to save you a few bucks when your kids start deciding on costumes. You'll be able to create a custom design not sold in stores. For this costume, I used a yard of tan felt, pieces of red, green, black, gray, and white felt, scissors, a rotary wheel, and a glue gun. With your fabric folded in half, measure your child to make sure the slice is not too long. Cut a half circle in the middle of the fold. This will allow your child to place the slice over their head. I used the yardstick to add the point to the end of the pizza slice. Cut 4 thin rectangles and glue 1 to each side of the front and back. These strips will be tied together later to secure the costume. Cut out the pieces of cheese from your white felt. Pepperoni, peppers, mushrooms, and olives will be made from the red, green, gray, and black felt. Decide on your placement and glue everything onto the front of the slice. Add a solid colored shirt and your costume is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.